The bridge in imagotherapy is something, I think, metaphorically, that really helps couples get more of the idea that you have fallen in love with or are married to or in a connection with someone that is not you. And I know that's fundamental, you know it intellectually, but emotionally, oftentimes, there's this sense that you should see the world the way I do, you should have the same feelings, the same opinions, the same concepts and ideas, and when you don't, there often is trouble in River City. So what I love about the bridge is it's actually asking my partner if they would be willing to put up a little bridge between their country and mine and come over for a visit in a different culture and to really be there in a way where they can listen and suspend momentarily their own reality such that they can even be open and curious to hear about mine, how I arrived at it, what it's about for me, etc., so that it really deepens their awareness and understanding of me.